Hi everybody, welcome. In this one I am going to show you how to download Scratch. Simply go to your browser and search Scratch MIT, enter. The first website that you get, scratch.mit.edu, click on that. You go down and you get download. Click on that and you select your operating system. I use Windows, so I'll continue with that. If you use something else, Mac or Chrome, select that and click on direct download. It will ask you the location where to save. I am selecting desktop for now and save. I'll speed this up. Okay, so once this is done, you'll get it on your folder where you have saved it. Since I saved it on my desktop, I'll get it here. Double click on that. All users, yes. Finish. There you go, it's downloaded, it's installed, and we can start. So this is the first thing that you will get. If you don't want to share, you can choose not to share. Okay. There are a lot of options on the left side. I will look at them one by one in the coming classes. But for now, what I want to do is, you can enter the name whatever you want here. I'll just start class 1 and I want to save this file. So once you have renamed it, go to File and Save to your computer. Now I'll just name this new folder as class 1 and open and save. So every time you save it, you know where you have saved and you can refer it back whenever you want. In the coming classes, we will learn each and every feature that is available and make interesting things every day. So the next class is going to be on what is a sprite and how to use a sprite. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.